Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 10th, and this is my analysis on the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still think there's a good chance this is the end of an ABC correction. If that is the end of an ABC correction, then this will end up continuing the downtrend, probably eventually going all the way down and taking out these lows, because that is what happens when you have the end of an ABC correction, no matter what time frame you may be on. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do like to switch back to the dollar index. This looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to me. It still looks like it could be a wave 1. I still think there's a very good likelihood this correction may already be over, but like I've been saying for the past several weeks, it definitely could end up turning into an A, B, and C, and it would actually look like a much more normal pattern if that is actually what it ends up doing before it actually ends up continuing the downtrend for a wave 3. So keeping that in mind, let's head down to the daily. Now on the daily, one of the reasons why I do think that this correction is over back here is because this move down is a trend. That does not look like a correction. Now we do have CPI news coming out today for the dollar, and we definitely do have a few different options. One of the things that I do see is that this move up right here could definitely be a wave A. This could for surely be an A, B, C of B, and this may actually be going up to make a wave C, and this is probably going to be a correction to this last move down and then end up continuing the downtrend. So that's the first option that I see for the news today, is that it goes up to make this wave C. The second option, which I actually am still sticking to, more reliable, more likely, is that we already have the end of an ABC correction right here. We have another lower high, and that this move up right here is just a correction to this move down, and the price is just going to keep on trending down. So let's take a closer look at that on the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, we have almost a perfect looking downtrend here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. We have impulsive up. Looks like it could be a wave A. This could be a corrective wave B, and we may already be in the wave C. So if this looks like this when the news is going to come out, I do still think that it's actually very likely that the trend will continue down, and that we've already ended a correction back here, and that the trend is down, and that it will just keep on trending down. Now if it goes up and breaks this high, then that's what's going to tell me that the other scenario that I showed on the daily, that it's going up for a big wave C, is actually more likely to happen. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is where you can start to see the higher highs, higher lows that make up this wave A. This right here is definitely very corrective looking. Looks like to me a wave B, and it looks like we could already be in a wave C. We only have a couple hours until the news comes out, so if it looks like this, the news makes an impulsive move down, then I would say that's the end of a correction, and I would definitely be ready to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Now on the other hand, if the news causes this to go up and break structure, and it holds above structure, then I would say that it's actually probably going to just keep on trending up and make that big wave C like I was showing on the daily time frame. So we definitely have a couple options, and if we pay attention to structure, pay attention to price, then we should be able to tell what is going to happen next, whether it's actually going to keep on trending down or whether it's going to break structure and just keep on trending up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.